Hello gardeners. In this video I will show you a great tool that everyone can cook. Because it is made with improvised ingredients, it will help you get rid of ants forever. As you can see, I made a bed on my plot. And ants settled here very quickly. Right now they are setting up their anthill. This new anthill, it wasn't there before. They probably decided to make houses for themselves in the soft soil. I'm shooting this video about ants, because I know that each of you has encountered them. And not all folk remedies and even purchased chemicals work against them. But this tool will definitely destroy them once and for all. Well, actually let's go cook it. The first thing we need is a container. It should be small so that it is convenient to mix the ingredients in it. Absolutely any container that you do not feel sorry for because it will not be possible to use it later. Then we will need sugar, or if you have powdered sugar, it will be much better than sugar, it dissolves much better. To do this, we need 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. You will also need hot water. Now I will explain why this is necessary, and the second ingredient for our superfood will be ordinary boric acid, which is sold in any pharmacy. It is inexpensive and it is a powder. I thought many of you would have a question. Is it possible to use liquid boric acid? Personally, I haven't tried it. You can try cooking with her. Check if it will work, then it's great. Write in the comments. I know that dry boric acid definitely works. For 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, we will need 1 teaspoon of boric acid. First, in the dry, you need to mix it well with powdered sugar. That's why it's better to use it than sugar. The water should be hot, gradually add it. If you pour a lot of water, then you can add both boric acid and powdered sugar. That's actually our bait is ready. It will need to be kneaded to a consistency that resembles thick jam. This is a great density, because we will then put this bait next to the anthill, and of course it will dry out. Well, ants can do anything, and they really like sweets. Now let's go to the garden. I'll show you how to properly install this bait next to the anthill. But of course I also want to make a small warning. This bait is also dangerous for pets. If you have cats, dogs that you often have in your garden or where the anthill itself is located, then such a bait will need to be covered with something heavy. Ants will find an approach to it, because they are small. The main thing is that your pets cannot eat it. It is also desirable that children do not touch this bait. It is desirable to put this bait in the morning, or during the day, but not in the evening, because at night the activity of ants decreases and they go into the anthill itself. We need to establish at the moment when the most active phase of their work is underway. What are we doing? We take the bait itself, a small lid, preferably something so that there is a small side. So that our bait does not spread, we put 1 spoon here. And we install such a bait very close to the anthill, you can even deepen it. So that they don't strain themselves too much. They will smell the sweet from afar, and of course soon they will begin to show their interest. Look, I just installed the bait, and already now 1 ant has come to try it, because it is very tasty. That's how he can see he's already trying it. Accordingly, now he will taste it, he will understand that it is sweet. As you can see, there is no need to wait long. I just installed the bait, and the ants are already beginning to converge. Look now, I'll bring the camera closer. Look, there is already another ant. You can even wait, but I don't want to stretch the video. Look, another ant is coming. This is just confirmation that they love sweets very much. They will try it now. Boric acid, it acts on the stomach. Therefore, when they have had enough of it, and of course they will tell other workers who are working now, and they will all come and try it. And part of it will be taken to the queen of ants so that she can taste such sweetness. And so you can safely destroy an entire colony of ants. And if the ants themselves are destroyed, then they will soon have nowhere to appear. And you will get rid of them forever. And if you use the means that help the ants to leave, then they will leave for a while, and then come back again. So friends, as you can see, the bait works great. The ants are already showing their interest in her. And this bait will not make you wait long. Soon this anthill will not be. If there is information from this video that was useful for you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel, in order not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.